welcome to my channel. I'm Stella and I'm gonna show you how to make a seaweed soup today. As a part of my subscribers' request. Eating seaweed may seem unusual in some countries, but most Koreans eat seaweed soup in their birthday. Why do Koreans eat seaweed soup in their birthday? Actually, this is a food that most Korean women intake as a part of postnatal care. It is widely known that seaweed helps to recovering the body after giving birth to baby. It helps invigorate the bones and cleansing the blood. So that's why most Koreans eat this food in their birthday, remembering their mother's labor pains. The seaweed soup has a lot of versions, but today I'm gonna make seaweed soup using beef. So before we start, let me show you an ingredient that we need. We need seaweed, beef, sesame oil, soy sauce, grinded garlic. So if you're ready, let's get started. Put a dry seaweed in the water for 20 minutes. It'll make dried seaweed softer. Don't put too much seaweed at one time because volume of seaweed will increase if you put them in the water. Then let's cut up the beef. Try using the part that contains the least amount of fat so that the stock will not be too greasy. Marinate the beef with salt and cut them into bites. Then put 3 or 4 spoons of sesame oil in the pot and leave it until heated. Put a 1 spoon of grinded garlic into a pot and fry it for 1 or 2 minutes. After the flavor of garlic comes in, put a handful amount of beef and stir it with the garlic until the color of the beef has changed. It'll take 3 or 4 minutes. Also put a seaweed that we put on the water for 20 minutes. Mix this all together for about 5 minutes. Then, put a 4 or 5 cups of water inside. If it starts to boil, put a 1 or 2 spoons of soy sauce into soup. Let it boil for 30 minutes. Now we are ready to eat seaweed soup. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up And don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you next time. Bye bye.